Hello class, welcome to week 6. We're getting down to the wire now with this class wrapping up here within the next 3 weeks. So I just wanted to focus on what we're going to be doing within here with week 6. So always make sure to check your announcements as always. I will be working on grading the discussion forums. Hopefully have them completed Monday. And I'll let you know, as always, reach out in an email. So for this week, let's go to week 6. We'll be talking about career transitions and job loss, and as well as any sort of adult career developmental concerns. Some of you all have been talking about this throughout the course, your own path and how you face some of these changes or you're continuing to. So I'm sure you can relate with some of the material as you're reading it during this week in class. So assigned readings are chapters 13 and 14. And preparation, just keep working on that final paper. It is due at the end of next week, week 7. So, and that's by midnight. That is February 25th by midnight. So make sure that you're working on it. Remember, it is a paper that really is the capstone, I say, of this class. It builds on the other assignments that you've done, the previous research, the previous papers. So please work on it. Remember, it is a signature assignment, so that means you'll be utilizing Turnitin. So cite your references. If there's any sort of material that you pulled from someone else's thoughts, someone else's theory, make sure you cite them. Use quotes sparingly, but cite your work as needed. And one thing I say, I don't want to see a bunch of paragraphs where it's just someone else's work. I want to hear your thoughts. So if you have a citation, make sure that your thoughts are before and after that citation, because that's just really important that the paper is your thoughts, it's your paper. So those are kind of my caveats with that. Make sure to check APA style. Purdue OWL has a really great APA website that you can go and look at as well. So if you have a question how to get to that, you can email me or send me a message and I can send you the link. But really make sure that you're thinking about that paper that is due at the end of next week. For this week, we have the discussion board. So down here it talks about what you're going to be looking at, 3 major challenges faced by an individual during career transitions and how you could provide counseling for that individual. And then having 2 scholarly references, one which is not the text. Your initial posting is due Thursday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers. Remember, substantive posts where you're providing insight or asking questions to another peer Sunday by midnight. So that's what's on the docket this week. You have your discussion board, and please keep working on your final paper that is due at the end of next week, week 7. That's it. We are wrapping things up here pretty soon. If you have not already, you'll be getting your student opinion survey about the course. Please, please, please fill it out. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know how the course is, the textbook is. We do look through these. We evaluate them. I always do my best to improve as an instructor. I want to be able to provide you with whatever you need. My job is to help you succeed in the program and to help you learn and apply the different things that we're talking about. So let me know how I'm doing. Let me know how the course is structured. When you get them, please fill them out. All right, that's it. If you need anything, you know how to reach me, and I hope you have a good week. I'll see you later.